What's up? Good morning, guys. It rained last night, so I didn't work. Um, so what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash my car, even though I don't use it. So I'm gonna give it a nice cleanup. It has some bad paint spots. Gonna probably sand down a fender that's kind of messed up on it. I think that's about it. And probably gonna clean up the engine bay also. Blue Devil, something like that. I took out the coolant tank cap and it just blew out and it just left it all white. So I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm not gonna turn on my car because my daughter's asleep right now and I don't want to wake her up. That way I could give it a good wash. Gonna go get some wax and wax out some spots in the paint, some stains. Right there, those, all that. Let's see what we can do with this fender. So we'll see that. So let's get to washing it. My garage needs a little bit more of a cleanup. It's a little messy. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this car and see you guys when I'm done with it. Not much fun to see me wash a car anyways, but I just want to make a video because I got nothing to post right now. So we'll do that. There it is. I just finished washing it and I'm just gonna dry it off, and I came up with the better idea that I'm gonna do today on my day off since that didn't work because it rained. Oh man. To be working on making a breaker for my battery and taking out that speaker box that I don't want and cleaning up my trunk just a lot better than this, and maybe clean inside of the car. So that's that. So now I just gotta dry it. There it is, dried up, wheels cleaned. I'm not gonna put armor on them. Now we're gonna get to work on the trunk, try to break out that speaker box. Gonna try to order those, whatever things they're called, the ones that hold up the trunk, the gas shocks. They're not good. So let's get to work on this trunk. I went ahead and removed those gas shocks from them. That way I can open the trunk a little bit more and it's clear right here. So I'm gonna clean all this mess, clean up the car a little bit right here, all this, and then we're gonna take out the battery. I'm gonna see what all this wire goes to and everything, because when I got the car, I had a system, and the guy wanted it back for the price that we agreed. So I had to take it off, and it was a nice sounding system. Even the stereo, he took it. The stereo was an old N-Dash. These are the floor mats that I had from another car. I just put them in here. Trunk is loose. I know this relay box, whatever it's called, has to be there, or at least this wire has to be connected, because that has to do with the alarm, because it does have an aftermarket alarm, because the stock one is not there, but it does work with the stock key fob and everything. I used key fob, so I'm gonna try to figure that out so I can clean up all this wire mess a little bit better. And I am going to try and get that speaker box out. I did try to take it out once. This is just a cover on it, but it was hard, so I'm probably gonna have to break it. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna clean up all this nasty stuff first before we get into the trunk. So I'm gonna do that with, I don't know, I don't got no degrees or nothing, so I'll figure it out right now. All right, there it is. It's a little bit better. Not the best, but I just want to get working in here. I took off the battery already. Gonna take out this. This comes off easily. I actually had a nice cover on it. You couldn't see the battery or anything. It had another carpet right here and had a fan. So yeah, this speaker box is gonna have to go out. I'm not a system guy, and I don't even plan on putting the radio on the car. All right, little update. So those are some cables that they were just there. They didn't need it. So I'm guessing the speaker box was built in there or something. I had to take off all my seats in the back, and see, I'm gonna have to break it because, or try to push it out from here out that way, because I can't pull it. It gets stuck somewhere, so we're gonna see if I could just like kick it or something. If not, I'm gonna have to break it. This is the first time I see this. I thought it was a speaker right there. It's actually the box that's ported into the car, and no wonder it sounded nice. Because, so definitely I don't know how they got this box in there. So this is all it goes. It gets stuck. I'm gonna try to see what it is from here that's hitting or something. So that's the port that goes inside the car. You can actually see the hole. And it just started to rain again. I washed the car, but I was to get the dust out of it, but I don't care. So I like rainy days. Well, there it is, piece by piece. I've actually never seen a custom made speaker box. Pretty cool how they made it. I wonder how they built it in there. But that's out. And this is like the actual speaker box. The rest was just like for the bass, like how it travels and everything. Or just like I don't know how to explain it, but this is the actual speaker box. I'll put it for free, whoever wants it on offer up. They can do whatever they want with it. But yeah, it's gonna be out. There it is, it's out. I did take it out from the inside of the car. That's Honda, I guess. It was a pretty heavy box. Look like it's smiling. Anyways, yeah, I could tuck in these wires. I don't know, these are for the speakers or something, but the car's not gonna have a system at all, no music. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut them from here or disconnect them or something. The only important one is to get this one nice and fixed and everything. Put this little relay box like more hidden over here. Run the wire through the carpet of this, and try to run it like through the end over there. A little bit better. Gonna get a vacuum and vacuum this trunk up a little bit, and that'll be it. Next up will be, I'm gonna change the fuel pump in the car because it cuts off. I'm guessing it's the fuel pump. So yeah, let me clean this up a little bit, and it looks nicer. It was nice when it had the music, but it's heavy, and that's something I don't want in this car. Okay, I just chopped them off. I don't really care about it. Whoever did this car kind of took their time, because they ran all this wire inside out of that, and actually put that little thing for no water to go in it for the backup camera that I had in the stereo. Nice. I never seen that. I wouldn't take my time, to be honest. I would just ran the wire from somewhere, or not even run it through here, or just ran it through there and all nasty, because I don't have the patience. But props to the guy that did that. Nice job. So there it is. I ran this wire that it needs for the alarm through there, and then I ran it all the way over there, and just ran into there. Under the seat, you can't even see it anyways. So I'm gonna clean up the tools and pick up the biggest pieces of trash, and then I'm gonna just vacuum it with this house vacuum hose part. And I should be done with the trunk, and then we're gonna place the battery where we're gonna place it, and find a way for it won't move all over the place. Okay, I already took that wire over there. Under the seat, you won't be able to tell anyways. And I cleaned up a little bit of the wires right here. This is the post that's gonna run through here. Eventually I'm gonna fix this because this is ugly. Battery, I'm located right there. Straps that don't work no more. So I'm gonna bolt on the strap from one side over here to the car, run it over the battery, and strap it to make some holes right here. I'm doing everything with whatever I have in my garage. I do try to save money, that's why. And old straps. Why would I waste money on buying something like a metal strap or something when I could use that? So we're gonna see how it ends up. Got my little bin over here with self-tapping screws and all that. Leftover ones that I take out. So for the battery, something like this size will be good with some washers. So that's what I'm gonna do. try to find another one right there, drill some holes, and then use this one or something. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see the end result in a bit. That's good for now. Until I figure out a better way. I just want to be able to drive it. The battery won't be right here going all over the place, so that'll do. It'll move just a tiny little bit, and that's about it. It's not like I drive the car fast anyways, but that's it. That's a quick way. Garage, leftover parts. So now I'm gonna hook up battery and put the little piece of carpet, the only carpet that I have, which is right there, back on the car, and try to hide the best I can with the wires. All right, and now the finished product. So all the wires are tucked in behind this only carpet that the car has. You can barely see the fuse box that used to be right here, a relay box, whatever it is, hidden over here on this side. The battery is doing good for now. That's temporary. No ugly wires no more. No ugly box that I don't need. It wasn't ugly, it was just I didn't need it. I just gotta put the interior, but I'm gonna vacuum under there because it's a mess. And that's it. I guess that's just a video of me working on my car. I haven't uploaded in a while, and it is my project car. I've just been busy with work. So there's gonna be more to come for this car. I want to keep up with this project. I haven't forgot about it, and I'm not gonna quit on it. I just haven't had time. So it's been like, what, a month that I haven't uploaded, and I'm gonna try. For now, the truck, there's no more mods, just those EcoBoost stickers that I put on the door, because at least the ones that lose, they know what they're losing to a little 2.7 stock. And yeah, that's it for this video. I just gotta upload after I'm done clean this car and get something to eat because I'm hungry. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching, whoever's watching this, and whoever subscribes and gives this a like. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I do have fun making these videos, and there's gonna be more from this car. So thank you, and again, I'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do want to go to the junkyard and see if I can find a PI motor. I ain't gonna build eventually that one over there that I have in the stand, but for now, just gonna PI swap it so I can be able to use it. I'm gonna try to get to use this motor. Doesn't overheat or anything, just the gasket's bad. I'm gonna try to put some treatment and see what it does. Gonna go buy an off-road X pipe pretty soon if I find one. Doesn't have an exhaust, the cats were clogged up. I gotta finish taking them off. And fuel pump, I'm gonna change the fuel pump because I feel like this one's going bad. The car cuts off, so we're gonna figure that out. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.